As you know, there have been numerous cases of vape batteries exploding going around the media. Today we're here to lay your fears to rest.
The number one reason why vape batteries explode is simply improper care by the user. If you take good care of your vape device and your batteries, you will never have to worry about exploding batteries again.
And don't worry, we're here to show you exactly how to do that. First, always check the casing or wrap around your batteries. Make sure that the casing isn't peeling or deteriorating in any way. To prevent peeling or deterioration, please make sure to always store them in places where they won't come in contact with other metal objects. Metal objects are particularly dangerous for your batteries because they can cause the batteries to circuit and potentially overheat and explode. If you do notice peeling or deterioration, throw your batteries away immediately and get new ones, which goes into our second tip.
Only use batteries that are recommended for your device. Never mix different brands of batteries, never use two batteries with different charge levels, and last but not least, never use old and new batteries together. It is always recommended to use two of the exact same batteries in your device.
And third, always protect your vape devices and batteries from extreme temperatures. And that means extreme heat and extreme cold. Never leave your batteries in the car during a hot day, and also never leave them in your car during a really cold day. Don't leave them in the sun, don't put them in the freezer, and definitely don't put them in the oven, but you already knew that. Extreme temperatures can seriously damage your batteries and cause them to deteriorate prematurely.
All of the tips that we just discussed is to prevent the batteries from starting an ugly process called venting.
What is venting?
Battery venting means the chemicals inside the battery have gone into meltdown. When this happens, they create toxic gases that slowly start to escape the battery. Once the pressure inside is too high, the vent pops and lets the gas out, which can lead to a dangerous battery explosion. It is caused by all the reasons we discussed in the tips, but we'll go over them again. Always check your batteries for corrosion or old age.
Keep them away from metal objects.
Never mix two different batteries together and always use manufacturer recommended batteries.
Last but not least, keep them away from extreme temperatures.
Please follow all of these tips religiously and you will minimize your risk of an exploding battery.
We hope that this video provided you guys with some valuable information about vape safety. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and please vape safely.